Be careful of people who hide and watch your status. For example, those persons who are on WhatsApp. They can't watch your status for you to see that they are looking. They have to hide and watch it because they are gossip, they are talebearers. They want to peep on your thing to see what you see so that can run and carry news on you. 2, they are afraid that you put up anything that you are doing well and they don't want to see your success. So you can't think they know that you are successful because in your opinion you will believe that they are not seeing. Be careful of people who cannot sympathize with you when you are going through your sad time. Be careful of people who cannot rejoice with you when you are going through your happy time. Be careful. Those kind of enemies are the worst kind. Believe me, those kind of enemy who hide and peep and can't cry with you and can't sympathize with you, but they can run their mouth and speak of what you have on your personal space that you bring them in. Be careful, because I narrow down my space. I narrow down my space very, very narrow. I have about 10 persons in my WhatsApp space. So anytime anybody go about and run their mouth, I will know who you are because my space is very narrow. Many people will not be happy for you. And as you go into the new year, don't be afraid of eliminating your enemies because you're no different from me. You have enemies. You think everybody like you? If you think they like you, be successful. Successful is the breeding ground for enemy. My husband bought me this little thing yesterday. This is to put your tea in and put it in the pot so that you don't have enough dregs.